It's really cool to customize your iPhone lock screen with eye-catching wallpapers. However, after some time, almost every wallpaper tends to lose their charm. That's the reason why iOS offers a neat way to automatically shuffle photos on the lock screen. In this detailed guide, I'm going to show you how to shuffle a specific photo album on your iPhone lock screen. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to press the power button of your iPhone to bring up the lock screen. And then you have to authenticate using your Face ID or Touch ID. And then you have to long press on the lock screen. And after that, you have to tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then you have to tap on the photo shuffle button at the top. Next up, choose the album option. By default, the favorites album is selected. You have to tap on favorites option and then choose the desired photo album from your photo library. After that, you have to select the preferred shuffle frequencies such as on top, on lock, hourly, and daily. And finally, you have to tap on the use album option and you are all set. Going forward, the photos from your selected photo album will automatically shuffle on the lock screen. Hence, your lock screen will always appear pleasing to the eyes. Now that you have unlocked this hidden feature, make the most of it so that your lock screen always looks stand out. And I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.